Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to be learning some French words. Now we are starting with 5 ways to say goodbye in French. The pronunciation guide is there, so I'm going to be saying it in French alone. Then you're going to be looking at the meaning on the screen. So let's start with 5 ways to say goodbye in French. Number 1 is au revoir. As you can see, au revoir, that's goodbye. Another way to say goodbye is you can say à bientôt. Look at the pronunciation guide, à bientôt. Let's say it together, à bientôt. The next, à plus tard. À plus tard. Let's say that, à plus tard. You can see the meaning on the screen. Fourth way to say goodbye, you can say à la prochaine. À la prochaine. Let's say it together, à la prochaine. That's see you next time. And the fifth way to say goodbye, is salut. 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 Though salut can be hi, it can be in form of a greeting. Informal greeting, you can say hi, and it can also be bye. Salut. 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 Hello. Hi. Salut. Bye. Salut. Now let's go to the next slide. So we are looking at 5 ways to say don't worry in French. 5 ways. Number 1, the informal, you say ne t'inquiète pas. Ne t'inquiète pas. That's the informal way of saying don't worry. The formal way for someone you respect, someone that is older than you or more than one person, you use ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Yes, don't worry, the formal way. You can also say pas de souci. Pas de souci. Yes, or pas de problème. Pas de problème. Or reste tranquille. Reste tranquille. But if you want to say it in the formal way, the best word is to use ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Now let's go to the next slide. 5 ways to say I disagree in French. You can say je ne suis pas d'accord. That's very common. Je ne suis pas d'accord. I disagree. Number 2, you can say je suis en désaccord. Look at the pronunciation guide and let's say it together. Je suis en désaccord. You can also say je ne partage pas cet avis. Let's say it together. Je ne partage pas cet avis. The meaning is there. Let's go to the next one. Je ne suis pas du tout d'accord. Je ne suis pas du tout d'accord. Then you can also say je ne suis pas d'accord avec toi. Je ne suis pas d'accord avec toi. As many ways to say I disagree in French. So let's go to the next one. Now let's look at 6 ways to say okay in French. Want to say okay, d'accord, that's very common. D'accord, okay. You can also say okay in French too, is correct. D'accord, okay. Number 2, you can say très bien. It's a way of saying okay too in French. Très bien. Let's say it together, très bien. You can also say ça marche. Yes, that's okay. Sounds good. Ça marche. Ça marche. You can say pas de problème. So we have mentioned that before. It can also mean okay, pas de problème. We can say entendu. Entendu. That's okay. That is, I agreed, understood. D'accord, pas de souci. Let's say that together. D'accord, pas de souci. Again, d'accord, pas de souci. No worries. That's the meaning. So, we are done for today. If you have not subscribed for this channel, subscribe so that you can see my next video. Thanks for watching. A bientôt.